As the years passed, nature slowly reclaimed the empty city. Trees grew through cracked pavement. Animals moved into abandoned buildings. The Ferris wheel in Pripyat's amusement park rusted in silence. It had been scheduled to open on May Day, just 5 days after the explosion. It never carried a single passenger. Visitors today often describe the city as frozen in time. Schoolbooks still open to lessons from April 1986. Gas masks scattered across classroom floors. Hospital beds left exactly where patients once lay. But the physical ruins are only part of the atmosphere people describe.